Let's learn Rescue Party. It's choreographed by Shane McKeever. It is a 64 count, 2-wall, high improver level line dance with no tags and no restarts. I'm going to turn around and break down the dance section by section using steps and counts. We'll then practice the front wall all the way through with steps and counts, talk about the ending, and then we're going to go through and dance all 5 walls of the dance so that you know how it flows, so you can hopefully dance this on a dance floor near you. So let's turn around and learn Rescue Party. Section 1, your weight's going to start on your left foot. We're going to do a V step. So you're going to step your right foot out into the right diagonal, step your left foot out into the diagonal, step your right foot back center, step your left next to your right. We're now going to do 2 eighth turning kickball changes. So you're going to kick your right foot forward, step your right next to your left, make an eighth of a turn over your left shoulder as you step your left next to your right to face 1030. We're now going to do that again. Kick your right foot forward, step your right next to your left, make an eighth of a turn over your left shoulder, putting your weight onto your left foot to face 9 o'clock. So let's try that with some counts, doing your V step. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8. Section 2, we're going to repeat what we did in section 1. So you're going to do a V step, stepping your right foot out into the diagonal, step your left foot out into the diagonal, step your right foot back center, step your left next to your right. Do your 2 eighth turning kickball changes, so kick that right foot forward, step your right next to your left, make an eighth of a turn over your left shoulder as you step your left next to your right to face 730. And then we're going to do that again, kicking that right foot forward, step your right next to your left, make an eighth of a turn over your left shoulder, stepping your left next to your right to face 6 o'clock. So let's try that with some counts, doing your V step. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8. Now, for the first 2 sections, it's not written on the step sheet, but Shane does do it in his videos. When you're doing the V step, both times in section 1 and 2, you can add arms if you would like. So when you step your right foot into the diagonal, you're going to bring your right hand up. When you step your left foot out into the diagonal, left hand up. When you step back with your right, right hand down. When you step back with your left, left hand down. Now, when you're doing those turning kickball changes, as you kick, you're going to bring both hands up and you're going to go, woo! So you can kick, woo, woo, if you would like, and you'll do that for section 1 and 2 if you would like to. Section 3, we are going to do cross-side sailor steps. So you're going to cross your right over your left, step your left foot to the left side, do a right sailor step, crossing your right behind your left, step your left foot to the side, step your right foot to the right side. You're now going to cross your left over your right, step your right foot to the right side and do a left sailor step, crossing your left behind your right, step your right foot to the side, step your left foot to the side. Let's try it with some counts. Weight is on your right. You just finished that turning kickball change. So you're going to do your cross-side sailor. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Section 4, we're going to cross our right over our left. You're going to make a quarter turn over your right shoulder, stepping back with your left foot to face 9 o'clock. And then we're going to shuffle back with our right, stepping right back, left together, right back. You're now going to rock back with your left foot, recover onto your right, and we're going to do a full turn, turning over our right shoulder. You're going to make a half turn, stepping back with your left foot to face 3 o'clock. Make a half turn over your right shoulder, stepping forward with your right foot to face 9 o'clock. So let's try that with some counts. We just finished our sailor step, so you're going to do your cross quarter back. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 5. We're going to shuffle forward with our left, stepping left forward, right together, left forward. You're now going to step forward with your right foot, do a half pivot over your left shoulder, putting your weight onto your left foot. And then we're going to shuffle forward with our right, stepping right, forward, left together, right, forward. You're now going to step forward with your left foot, do a half pivot over your right shoulder, putting your weight onto your right foot to return to 9 o'clock. Let's try that with some counts. We would have just done our half-half, so weight is on our right foot. You're going to shuffle forward with your left. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8. Section 6, we're going to make a quarter turn over our right shoulder as we shuffle to the left, stepping left side, right together, left side to face 12 o'clock. You're now going to rock back with your right and recover onto your left. We're now going to shuffle to the right, stepping right side, left together, right side, rock back with your left foot and recover onto your right. So let's try that with some counts. Weight is on your right foot facing 9 o'clock. You're going to make that quarter turn into a shuffle. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. Section 7, we're going to do 2 quarter turning Monterey's. So you're going to point your left toe to the left side, make a quarter turn over your left shoulder as you step your left next to your right to face 9 o'clock. Point your right toe to the right side, step your right next to your left. We're now going to point our left toe to the left side, make a quarter turn over your left shoulder as you step your left next to your right to face 6 o'clock. Point your right toe to the right side and then step your right next to your left. So let's try that with some counts. We would have just rocked back with our left and recovered onto our right. You're going to do your 2 Monterey's. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 8, in our final section of the dance, we're going to do a jazz box. So you're going to cross your left over your right, step back with your right, step your left foot to the left side, and then step forward with your right. We're now going to rock forward with our left, recover back onto your right, and you're going to do a left coaster step, stepping your left foot back, right together, left forward, and that is the end of the dance. So let's try that with some counts, doing your jazz box. Weight is on your right, crossing that left over. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. So now let's face the front. We're going to do it 1 time through with steps, 1 time through with counts. I am going to do the arm motions, but I am not going to make the noises, but you could do that if you would like. So weight is on your left. You're starting with your V step, so it's out, out, in, kick, ball, 8th, kick, ball, 8th, V step, out, out, in, kick, ball, 8th, kick, ball, 8th, cross, side, sailor step, cross, side, sailor step, cross, quarter back, shuffle back, rock back, recover, half, half, shuffle forward, half pivot, shuffle forward, half pivot, quarter turn in your shuffle, rock back, recover, shuffle, rock back, quarter Monterey, point, quarter turn, point, step, point, quarter turn, point, step, jazz box, cross, back, side, forward, rock, recover, coaster, step. Let's try it with some counts. Weight is on your left, starting with your V step. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And that is the whole dance. So now your final wall is going to be wall 5. You will be facing 12 o'clock. You will do up to count 62. So all we're going to do is leave off our coaster step and you're going to change it to a half shuffle. So you'll be facing 6 o'clock. We would have just finished our 2 quarter turning Monterey's. You're going to do your left jazz box and your left rock recover. Now instead of doing a coaster step, you're just going to do a half shuffle over your left shoulder. You're going to start by making that quarter turn, stepping your left foot to the side, step your right next to your left, make that quarter turn over your left shoulder, stepping forward with your left foot to face 6 o'clock, and then step forward with your right. And that is how you will end the dance. So let's just try that last 8 counts with that change to come back to 12 o'clock with some counts. We just finished our Monterey's. You're going to do your jazz box. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Step. And that is how you will end the dance. So now let's go around. On the front wall, I'm going to do steps. Back wall, I'm going to do counts. Weight is on your left. We're going to dance all 5 walls of the dance so that you can practice that ending. Weight is on your left. You're doing your V step. I'm going to do the hands, but obviously I cannot do the noises, but feel free to add those noises in yourself. Starting with your V step, it's out, out, in, kick ball 8th, kick ball 8th, out, out, in, kick ball 8th, kick ball 8th, cross, side, sailor step, cross, side, sailor step, cross, quarter back, shuffle back, rock back, recover, half, half, shuffle forward, half pivot, shuffle forward, half pivot, quarter turn with your shuffle, rock back, recover, shuffle, rock back, recover, Monterey quarter, now your jazz box, rock and coaster step, Start over. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. V-step. Turning kickball changes. V-step. Turning kickball changes. Now your cross-side sailor. Cross-side sailor. Cross quarterback, shuffle back. Rock back, half, half. Shuffle forward. Half pivot. Shuffle forward. Half pivot, quarter turn with your shuffle. Rock back, recover, shuffle. Rock back, recover, Monterey, quarter turn. Monterey, quarter turn. Jazz box. Rock and coaster step. Start over. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. This is our final wall. You're going to change that coaster to a half shuffle. So it's your V step, out, out, in, turning kickball change, V step, out, in, turning kickball change. Now your cross side sailor step, cross side sailor step, cross quarterback, shuffle back, rock back, recover, half, shuffle forward, half pivot, shuffle forward, half pivot, quarter turn with your shuffle, rock back, recover, shuffle, rock back, recover, Monterey, quarter turn, jazz box, rock, recover, half shuffle to the front with your additional step, and that is the whole dance. You notice halfway through, I stopped doing the arms. Again, those arms are optional. You don't have to do them if you don't want to. So feel free to leave them off. They're not written on the step sheet, but they are done in a lot of the videos. So you can add them if you would like, or you can just dance it without. So now that you've learned it with the tutorial, you can use the timestamp in the video description below to skip to the rear demo so you can practice as much as you would like, so you can hopefully go out and dance this on a dance floor near you. I hope this helped you learn Rescue Party. If you have any questions, let me know. Thanks.